Once your offer has been accepted, it's time to open up escrow. The escrow company is a neutral third party that helps through the process. They will also work with the title company to make sure the property has a clear title, meaning there are not any outstanding liens on the home, and also that the home is actually owned by the seller and can be sold to you. Now it's time to get inspections done on the home, review disclosures from the seller, secure the loan for your property, and get the appraisal done. It's such an amazing time, but we need to make sure that we are on top of everything so that we don't miss any of our contractual timelines. If you are securing a loan on the property, it's imperative that you are in regular communication with your lender so we can secure your financing. In regards to the appraisal of the property, the goal is for the appraisal to come in at the value we are in contract for, but if it doesn't, depending on what we've negotiated in the contract, we may need to go back and negotiate the price. Now we are also working towards getting the final loan approval so that we can order loan documents. Once you know the home has appraised for what you are in contract for and your loan is secure, you're one step closer to home ownership. Once again, our offer is accepted. We will order inspections for the property. Typically, we recommend you do a professional inspection. Depending on the property, there may be other inspections that need to be done, and we can advise you on that as well. Once all of the inspections are done, we will meet to review the reports along with the disclosures from the seller. This is when we would discuss all of the documentation and decide if any items in the home need to be repaired or if we need to request any credits for repairs from the seller. There are lots of things that happen once our offer gets accepted, and these are just a few. Call me and I will get in contact with you to make the process as easy as possible.